ಮೆಟ್ಲ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಂತ ಮುಖಂಡ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೆ ಮೆಟ್ಲ ಹತ್ರ ನೋಡ್ಕೆ ಶಬ್ದ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೆಟ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಟ್ಲ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ
So is the screen is visible, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Screen is visible now.
So okay, so we were doing the convolution integral. So last class I gave one problem. So have you done that? So yeah, have you tried that one? That is y of t. So y of t is given by, so u of t plus 1 convolution u of t minus 2. Okay, so this which we have given. So now we can take this as x1 of t and this as x2 of t. Okay, so take this one as x1 of t and take this one as x2 of t. So now what you will convolution integral, it is equal to y of t minus infinity to plus infinity x1 of t or x1 of tau into x2 of t minus tau. Okay, so now plot these signals, how it will be look like. Okay, so if you take x1 of t, if you take x1 of t, u of t plus 1, that means, so it will be shifted by backward direction by minus 1. Okay, so this is u of t plus 1, and similarly your x2 of t, or can take x1 of tau itself, and this is the tau variable. In the similar way, find out what is x2 of tau first. Okay, so x2 of tau, so what is x2 of tau? It is shifted by 2 units forward direction, that is t minus 2. Okay, this is t minus 2. So now you reflect this one and try to shift it. So if you shift by again, so this one, if you reflect this one, so you will get, that is, this is a reflected version, that is x2 of minus tau. Okay, so now if I want x2 of again, so this, if I want again x2 of, because we need here x2 of t minus tau. Okay, so if you want x2 of t minus tau, again you shift by t units, that will be so shifted again with the backward direction. So this is your t minus 2. Okay, so they here where t become equal to tau. Okay, so now see the overlap region, so between x1 of tau and your x2 of t minus tau. So again here it is shifted by the t unit, so where t tau equal to, that tau equal to t minus 2, so then this will be the reflected version, and whenever t become equal to tau, it will become 0. So now what is the integral limit? So now you slide this signal x2 of minus tau and you compare with the x1 of tau where it is the overlap region. Okay, so now if you take the t minus 2 which is there here, which is if it is less than 1. Okay, if it is less than that minus 1, whatever it is there in the x1 of tau, so then what will be the output? So your output will be 0, that is y of t will be equal to 0, because there is no sample left side of this minus 1. So if this t minus 2 it is less than minus 1, so your output will be 0. So now what will happen, this t minus 2, so it is greater than minus 1. Okay, so if it is greater than minus 1, that is t minus 2 greater than or equal to minus 1. Okay, so what will be the limits? It is between -1 to this t minus 2, because the signal will be so overlap like this. So this is your t minus 2. If you slide that one, it will become somewhere here t minus 2. Okay, so now see the overlap region. So this is the overlap region. So till what? So from -1 to, so till the t minus 2 value. So that's why your limit becomes the y of t, which will be equal to, so -1 to t minus 2. Okay, so x1 of tau into x2 of t minus tau. So in this limit, both will be having the values, amplitude values 1. Okay, so into d tau. So here also it is there d tau. Okay, so now you put the values of the x1 of tau and x2 of t minus tau. So you will get the output value y of t. Okay, so compute what is the output, that is y of t. So your y of t will be equal to -1 to t minus 2, that is 1 into 1 into d tau. So if you integrate it, it will become tau, which is varies between -1 to t minus 2. So this will be equal to t minus 2 minus of -1. This will be equal to t minus 1. So this is your output y of t. So now if you plot y of t, how it will be look like? So this t minus 1. So it is a ramp signal t which is shifted by 1 unit. So that means your the signal t minus 1. So it will be look like this. Okay, so that is here it is 1, and this function will be t. So this t it is shifted by -1 unit. Okay, so this is your output y of t. So have you got this one answer? Anybody? Hello? Hello? Anybody got this? Have you done? Mrutyunjay? Hello? Have you got this?
Got it. Yes, sir.
Subramanya? Have you got it this one? The answer?
Yes, sir, but I didn't get the last step, sir.
Last
Like,
step. Which one?
how can we configure it with the RAM signal?
So here, so see here, generally what will happen? Your simple ramp signal, what will happen? It is T, right? Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So now if you shift by the ramp signal by 1 unit, what will happen? It will shift by one unit like this. The same signal it is shifted by 1 unit, that is plus n. So that is what T minus 1, right?
Yes, sir, got it.
Yeah. So this is what the answer. Okay. So now we will take the next problem. So try to do this one. So this is, so y of t which is equal to y of t which is equal to u of t plus 2 minus u of t minus 1. Okay. So convolution with u of minus t plus 2. So now try to do this one. So now take this one as your x1 of t, okay, and this one as x2 of t. So now try to plot this x1 of t and x2 of t, or in terms of tau you try to plot it, and you will get the signal, which is x1 of tau is, so this will be a subtract of these two unit step function, that is one is advanced by, that is shifted by negative side 2 units or backward side 2 units, and another signal which is shifted by forward direction 1 unit, that is plus 1. Okay, so this is the second signal and this is the first signal. Subtract these two and you will get, so till the value of 1, so you will get the signal, that is you will get from -2 to +1, 0 and 1. So this is your x1 of tau or x1 of t, or if you write it in terms of tau, it will become -2 to +1. So this is your x1 of tau. Okay, so similarly write x2 of tau. So if you write x2 of tau, so it is a reflected version. First shift it by 2 units, that is t plus 2. This is u of t plus 2, or your x of t or x of tau, it is nothing but so u of t plus 2. So now you reflect this one, so this is your -2, and if you reflect this signal, so it will become this one, that is u of minus t plus 2. So this will be equal to, so shifted by, that is reflected version, it is still plus till value of 2, and this is your u of minus t plus 2, or you can take it as x2 of tau. So now, so we need to again shift it by, so we need to get x2 of t minus tau. Okay, so this is a reflected version, so where you will get when t equal to tau, you will get this value. Okay, so and if you shift this x2 of tau and reflect it, so you will get the, so again if you reflect this one by t unit, so you will get, so like this, that is x2 of t minus tau. Again it will become the reflected version, which is t minus 2. Okay, so this is, since the unit the shift which is happening by 2, so again if you take x2 of t minus tau, so again it will be reflected version and your tau will become t minus 2 at this point, and here it is t equal to tau. Okay, so now you can see the overlapping region. Okay, so now see the output limits. So when t minus 2 is less than -2 of this value, then your output will be equal to 0. Okay, so see here, so if it is this signal, if it is less than this one, so then your output will be 0. So now when t minus 2 is greater than -2 or greater than or equal to -2, so now this shift, so somewhere here it will going to shift. Okay, so what will happen, so your t minus 2 will be here and your -2 will be here. So now what is the overlapping region, so the overlapping region will be this one, so only till value. So slightly I am putting greater than -2, so if I put greater than -2, so this will be equal to, so this will be equal to -2 to, so this integration. Okay, so or you can see here the, since the signal is till the value of 1, even this signal also it is going till infinite. So when t minus 2 is greater than -2, so then the overlapping region will be, so t minus 2 to 1. So because this is not the overlapping region, so here the signal is starting from here, so now the overlapping region is this one. Okay, so this is the overlapping region since it is starting from here, that is t minus 2 to 1. So when t minus 2 is greater than -2, your y of t limit will be equal to t minus 2 to 1. Okay, so from this to this value. Okay, so now what is the amplitude values? Amplitude values, it will be 1 into 1 into d tau. So now evaluate this integral. So if you evaluate this integral, so what it will become? So your y of t will be equal to t between the limits 1 and t minus 2. So what is the value? So if you substitute here 1 minus t plus 2, which will be equal to minus t plus 3. So this is so the value of the integral, which is between t minus 2 to 1. Okay, so now this t minus t, if you put greater than 1, so if this t minus 2, if it is greater than 1, again your output will become 0. Okay, so there are three limits. When it is less than minus 2, so again it is 0, and t minus 2, if it is greater than minus 2, so it will, the limit exists between t minus 2 to 1. Okay, and similarly with this t minus 2, so greater than 1, so it will become 0. Okay, so is it understood? So this is the output of your the in convolution. So here just a minute, here it will not be 0 because this also having amplitude 1 and this also having amplitude 1 only from 2 to 1. Okay, so this region exists when t minus 2 is less than minus 2. So that means this is actually not 0, and it exists between, so this exists between 2 to 1. So that is 1 into 1 into d tau. So this will be equal to t between 1 to 2, and which will be equal to, so sorry, this is minus 2 to 1, and this is minus 1 minus of minus 2, it will be equal to 3. So when t minus 2 is less than minus 2, so here it is actually the signal exists here. So here also it is having the amplitude value 1, and here also it is amplitude value 1. So we will get the output, which is 3. Okay, so now what is your final output? So that is y of t, which is equal to 3 when t is, or t minus 2 less than minus 2. Okay, and 3 minus t when your t minus 2 is between or greater than equal to minus 2, and 0 otherwise. Okay, so or you can take this when t is less than minus 4. So if you take the t alone. Okay, so this is the output. So is it understood? Any doubt? Hello? Hello, Bhavyashree, understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Ankita? Hello, Ankita?
Sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.